Hi and welcome. It's Peg. I'm glad you're here with me today. So, what am I working with today? Well, In Love Art. In Love Art is a company who sent me some dies and wanted me to share them with you. So that's what I'm doing. I am die cutting and I'm using these extra plates to die cut with because these are intricate dies, and anytime you're using an intricate die, you're going to want to use your magnetic shim, and because all these little fine details. I mean, do you guys see how delicate these dies are? I mean, they're beautiful. They do take a little bit of work. You do have to make sure you have the right stack there to do your die cutting with, but you can see how delicate and how beautiful these are. I have a couple of little ballerinas. I'm going to make a small mini journal that I got some heart-shaped mini journal pieces, and I'm just punching out these stars and things. Now, this one had a little bit of problem. I will be honest with you. The small stars do not want to come out because they don't have a pokey hole in the right place for you to get the very smallest stars. So I struggled with this one a little bit. Doesn't mean it isn't beautiful and I'm not going to use it. It just means I struggled with it. This one actually is a two-part die. It has the outer and the inner heart to it. So I think that's really cool when you get a 2-for-1. So what am I doing now? Well, I'm just scoring my pages. I've cut these, I think it's 49 and market paper. Got a paper pad, I think a Tuesday morning or someplace cheap. It wasn't anything expensive. It was a little 6x6 pad. And so I'm just, auditioning things here. I'm going to use some Distress Oxide in not wilted violet, what is that? Dusty Concord, to edge my pages and uh, just add another little dimension to the work I'm doing here. So I'm going to use some double stick tape on the back of this heart that I cut. This is the inside heart out of the journal page die, and I just snipped that out with a pair of wire cutters, and then I cut this other heart shape, and I'm going to pop that up off of the front of this, and then I'm going to glue, a couple pages together to make the cover for this so it's a little bit sturdier. I have my art glitter glue and my Yoo-Hoo glue stick. Gonna piece those together, and then I'll do my little pop-up on top and add another heart in my die cuts. I do like to layer the die cuts. I did cut the Love is in the Air from white and a silver sparkle, and I'm going to layer about 3 of those white uh, Love is in the Air, and then I'll put the silver sparkle on top, and I'm going to actually cut the frame off of that because I don't think it's necessary. I think it detracts from everything else that's there. It's the wrong shape. It's not a heart. It's just not a heart. So I wanted everything to be cohesive with the heart shape. So I cut that out, layered it up, and layered it on top of the front. I also cut a little heart out of there was another die that had 3 little hearts in it, and they were just, the waste that was left over. So I ended up coloring that with the Dusty Concord and putting a little silver sparkle pin around the edge and using my Wink Stella to jazz it up, and glued that down as to draw your eye into the focal point, which is the Love is in the Air quote that's on the front of this. So here you can see I'm just going to go ahead and layer this up. Go ahead and visit the site that's in the box down below. That's In Love Art. They have also graciously given me a 20% off code to my subscribers, so use the code if you're going to go shopping. And I hope you enjoyed my project for today. I will be back with more in love art in the future because they did send me more than what you're seeing here. And I have a few ideas about what I would like to make, so I'll let you enjoy the make here. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and click the bell for notifications so when new content comes out, it will be available for you. Anyway, I had a lot of fun playing with these products. I did get some stamps and some washi tape and things in addition to the dies, so hope to do something with that in the near future, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.